Hello, my dear students of 5 Scientists. So here we meet again in our English class with me, Miss Soleha. Okay, so today we are going to learn about be going to, affirmative, negative, and question. You can refer to page 84, question 4, and page 85, question 1, 2, 3. Alright, so the learning objective for today is, by the end of the lesson, I want you all to be able to present your preferred characters, Ciara, Martins, or Bethany holiday, and narrate your own holiday experience. Alright, so choose your favorite holiday planning as well as the character, and then narrate your own holiday experience. Okay, the second one is, I would like you all to write affirmative, negative, and question sentences for future plan. So today we are going to write future planning. Okay, alright, so to start our lesson, to begin our lesson, let us play a game. Alright, okay, so here is the game. So what you have to do is you just click the game link that I've provided in the WhatsApp group, and then when you click the link, enter your nickname. Make sure you enter your real name, okay, but only a short one. For example, my name is Soleha, so I put my nickname is Soleha, and then click the button, the arrow here, and then it will bring you to this layout. So you just click on the cafe. Alright, and then click new game, and then you can select your own slot. Okay, for example, if you pick new game, and then would you like a quick tutorial? So if you want tutorial, you just click yes. If you don't want a tutorial, you just click no. Okay, alright, so this is your customer. Okay, so when your customer come, he asks for one bread, and other customer asks for one bread. So here you don't have bread, so what you have to do is you have to restock your food. Okay, if you want to restock your food, you have to answer some questions here. Okay, so let us try to answer some of these questions. I dash going to go away. So the clue here is future planning, and be. Alright, so be, you have to replace be with am, is, or are. Okay, be. Alright, so future, I will going to go away. It's future, but it's not be. I'm not going to go away. Seems correct. I want going to go away is not suitable, so I am not going to go away. Alright, so correct. So you can click any way you want today. Okay, game over because you failed to serve the 3 customers today. Alright, so you can click a token. So if you want to answer the question correctly, you can refer to your textbook, or you can join me to learn the topic for today. Alright, so to play the game and to, of course, master all of the questions in the game, we have to learn the topic that I am going to teach you all today. Okay, so this is the passages for summer holiday. You can refer to your textbook page 84. Okay, remember bear in mind that this is future plan. Okay, so this is the passages from Sarah, Martin, and Bethany. Alright, so what I want you to do now is I want you to pause the video and take a moment to read the passages. Alright, okay, 1, 2, 3, pause your video. Alright, so after you've read this passage, now I'm going to explain to you all this affirmative sentence. Okay, there are 3 things that we are going to learn today, which is the first one is affirmative. Okay, what is affirmative? Alright, so affirmative is alright, okay. So affirmative is affirmative sentence. It simply states something, or it is any declaration that is positive. And this affirmative sentence also express the validity of truth of an assertion. So means that affirmative sentence is, it declares something that is positive. So means there is no negative words in the affirmative sentence. For example, okay, so this here I have written the be going to affirmative. So be going to, you have to refer to the be going to phrase in your sentence. Okay, for example, the example that I'm going to give you all today is I am going to spend a week. I am going to spend. So going to, be is am. So here is the contraction of I am. Okay, so I am is the real form for I'm. I'm is contraction. So I apostrophe am. So this is the contraction. The exact form for I'm is I am. Alright, so I am going to spend a week in Paris with my family in July. So this question is positive, means there is no negative word such as not in this sentence. So I am going, am is be, going is going, to is to here. Okay, so this sentence talks about future planning. Okay, so this is the example of affirmative sentence. Okay, alright, and bear in mind this is future plan. So this this sentence talks about future plan. Alright, this, okay, just now is affirmative, now is negative. Alright, so let's see the difference between negative and affirmative. Alright, negative sentence. Negative sentence is a sentence is usually made negative in English by placing the adverb not. Okay, not and more. Okay, not is one of the example of negative words. Okay, okay, so the example that I am going to show you here is I'm not going to go away. Okay, so this is the example of negative sentence. So as you can see, there is a not word, okay, N-O-T, not. Okay, just now in affirmative it says I am going to spend a week. But for negative, I am not going to go away. Alright, so this is negative. Negative sentence has not. Okay, have negative words. Alright, while affirmative, there is no negative word in affirmative sentence. Okay, Okay, negative means not in the sentence, while affirmative there is no negative words. All right. So affirmative, I'm going. Negative, I am not going. Okay. And this example here also talks about future plan. All right. Alright, and then next one is question. Okay, question is type of sentence expressed in a form that requires or at least appears to require an answer. And it also known as interrogative sentence. Okay, just now affirmative, negative, and then for sentence is, for question, another name for question is interrogative sentence. So when you see the word interrogative sentence, you know that it is questions. Okay, simply a question. Okay, so the example for question sentence is, are you going to stay in London? The next one, are you going to the trip? Okay, so as you can see here, the verb be, here, are, and are is in the front of the sentence. Okay. Okay, so those are the example of affirmative, negative, and interrogative or question in these summer holiday passages. Alright, so this slide is relatable with your learning objective at the initial part that I've presented. Alright, so this is, you can refer this question to at page 84, question 4, okay, which you have to describe about your holiday experience. Okay. Okay. So first and foremost, you have to select your preference character, holiday planning. There's Sierra, Martin, and Bethany. Okay. And then after you've selected your character holiday planning, you have to give reason why you choose the character holiday planning. Alright. And then after you have chosen and you have described your reason, you have to plan your own holiday. Alright. For example, here I've chosen Sierra. Alright, I've chosen Sierra, which is the first character. I've chosen Sierra. Okay, I've chosen Sierra, which is the first character. And then I have convert Sierra's passages into my holiday planning. Okay, first and foremost, I've introduced myself. For example, my name is Batrisha. I preferred Sierra's holiday plan. I like the plan because, for example here, I say I like to see beautiful places. Alright, and then next paragraph, I am going to spend my holiday at Terengganu with my family. Okay, Sierra here, she says that she would like to spend her holiday in Paris, but here I change at Terengganu, and I'm so excited. Similar with the paragraph, we are going to go by car, but Sierra says she want to go by train. And I search for interesting places. Terengganu, it looks really beautiful and attractive, and we are going to Kuala Terengganu drawbridge. It's really unique and beautiful. So what I would like you all to do is, I want you all to produce a paragraph which is similar with your preference character, but change the paragraph into your own idea, into your own holiday plan. Okay, and don't forget to introduce yourself and your preferred character and why you choose the character. Okay, After you have produced this paragraph, I'd like you all to record your audio reading the paragraph, or you simply speak out the paragraph and then send your audio to me by via Telegram or WhatsApp. Okay. In which the link I've provided in the group. Okay, so this is your task for today. Task 1 is the one that I explained just now. Refer to page 84, question number 4. Okay, so here's the instruction. Use in pairs. Which holiday do you prefer? Okay, work in pairs, but now you're at your respective home, so you just work individually. So ignore that one, ignore the first sentence. So which holiday do you prefer? Sierra, Smarties, or Bethany? Choose your holiday preference and then state your reason, and then where did you go on your last holiday, which is your own holiday, and what did you do. But I want you all to just produce a similar paragraph as shown in page 84. Okay, and then task number 2. Refer to page 85. Complete question 1, 2, 3, and then write on paper, and then snap your work and then send to me via Telegram. Alright, so once you have completed all the tasks, I would like you all to replay the game and then enjoy your learning. Alright, so thank you. That's all for our class today, and don't forget to submit your work and enjoy your learning and take care. So that's all for today. Bye bye.